Flattened bills of materials were introduced in SOLIDWORKS 2025 Service Pack 1, which allow you to display a consolidated list of components with total quantities across all levels of your assembly. Let's take this brace corner component for example. There are 8 total instances of this component throughout the grill assembly. And you'll notice that as we scroll through the bill of materials, that component only appears one time, okay? This is how the flattened BOM will look. But to help illustrate this, I'm going to switch back over to an indented bill of materials with detailed numbering, which shows the kind of subassembly and subcomponent structure. Here what we see is the brace corner appears as a subcomponent of the support frame end subassembly, and there are 2 instances found here. As I scroll down a little bit further, I find 2 more instances of the brace corner within this subassembly structure. And then as I keep going down, I also see 4 more instances actually just used right at the top level of the top level assembly. So what we have is a total of 8 instances of that very same component, this little brace that we see at the bottom of the grill. This is also very applicable with hardware when you have hardware that is spread across multiple subassemblies, but it's identical and can be helpful for, ordering parts or understanding material requirements to kind of gather everything up into one line item. So in that case, you may want to switch to the bill of material type flattened. And then of course what we see as we come in and double check that is that the brace corner has 8 total instances rounded up there. Right? So next time you need a quick consolidated view of all of the separate components and their total quantities in your top level assembly, check out the flattened bill of materials.